Okay, this video is for when you want a confidence interval, but you're given the sample standard deviation instead. So what we mean by saying that the standard deviation is unknown, it means the standard deviation of the entire population is unknown, but you only have a sample standard deviation. So watch out for that wording. So here we're given statistics. So I want to go to stat tests, and the keyword being sample standard deviation. So that tells us to use the t interval instead of the z interval. So I go to stats, and now I just type in the mean, and notice it puts SX. That's the sample standard deviation. So 23.9 for the mean. Standard deviation is 2.19. And we need the sample size of 16. Confidence interval is going to be 90%. Okay, so now again, this just means we're 90% confident that the true mean of the population lies within this interval. That's what that, if you had to interpret that. So then if let's look at another example where this time we're given some data. So we could type in the data into our calculator first, go to stat edit, and I've got this in my L2 list already. So I'll go back to stat tests and the t interval. This time I'm going to click on data, and I'm going to use L2. Okay, and then just change the confidence interval. You don't have to enter the mean or the sample standard deviation because you're using the data to do that. So the confidence level is 92% here, so I just make that 92. Okay, and there's my confidence interval, and notice it gives you that mean and sample standard deviation in case you needed that. And then again, to interpret this, it just means we're 92% confident that the true mean of the population is between these two numbers or within this interval. So that is it.